are security, man. I do not expect you to push people forward. Now you are misbehaving. You. So I'm going to ask you politely to please remove yourself from the middle of this room because you are misbehaving. This is outrageous. You know, there hasn't been a single problem here. I'm watching you and you're pushing people from behind. There's absolutely no reason for it. Now, I don't think these people back there need you to protect them. So I would like you to move to the side of the room, please. I'm not trying to start any fucking trouble, but it is ridiculous, really. They're just dancing. They're doing nothing. Now, I understand that you have an important role, but your role is not to join into the fray. Now, if you want to stand there and watch, that's fine. And if you want to act as a human shield to protect those people behind you, that's fine. But if you lean forward and push these motherfuckers again like that, then the show's going to be over, all right? I'm not kidding. You know, where's Daryl at? Where's the security guy at? Come on, man. Can we work something out here, please? Please? All right. We got 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, because that's the curfew. So we're going to play. I'm sorry about all this, you know. I hope to God the next time we come, there's some kind of independent hall that doesn't have to put up with this kind of fucking nonsense.